Welcome along to your first video tutorial where you are going to be learning how to code using the language Python. Now in today's video we're going to start super simple. All we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting the computer to display a message on the screen for us. Okay. Now before we get into that tutorial, there's just a couple of things we need to set up. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you've got this program Mu, that's spelled M-U. You need it installed on your computer. If you haven't got it downloaded and installed yet, you can jump across to this website here, codewith.mu, and click the green download button to get yourself a free copy of this program. Once it's downloaded and installed, you will need to open it up, and hopefully it will look something similar to what my screen looks like at the moment. Now before we get started on the coding side of things, one thing that a lot of students like to do is change the theme of their editor here. So if you click on the theme button, you can see you've got three different themes, so different colors, how your editor looks. I don't care which one you choose, so choose a theme that you think looks best and you're going to be happy working in. After you set your theme, you're pretty much good to go. Just to quickly explain what's on your screen at the moment, you've got a toolbar that runs along the top. There's a whole bunch of buttons there that perform pretty basic tasks, and we're going to use most of those buttons in the coming weeks. The other thing you need to be aware of on your screen is this main section down here, and this is simply where we write our code. There's even a message there telling you, write your code here. Okay, you can delete that message though, we don't need that anymore. Alright, so you are good to go. Let's start writing our first program in Python. As I said just a moment ago, this program is going to simply display a message on the screen for us. And in Python, the key word that we use to make messages pop up on the screen is the word print. So if you write in the word print, okay, that's the key word we need to make a message pop up on the screen. So now that we've written the word print, we need to tell the computer what the actual message is that we want to appear on the screen. So we need to write that actual message inside brackets and quotation marks. So open up a bracket and open up a set of quotation marks, and I want you to write in hello world. When you finish writing that, close your quotation marks and close your brackets, and that will just tell the computer whatever's inside those brackets and quotation marks is what I want displayed on the screen. And that's it. That is your first line of code in Python, and that's your first program done and dusted. Now all we need to do is save it up and then run it to see if our code actually works. So up the top in your toolbar, we've got this save button here that I need you to click. So just save that into your digital technologies folder and give it a meaningful name like number 1 hello world. Okay, and once you've saved it, you can click the run button at the top. A new box will appear at the bottom and it's displayed your message hello world. Okay, that's pretty easy, isn't it? Let's take this one step further now, and we'll try and print a few messages onto the screen at once. Okay, so I'm going to go up the top to this new button, which will bring up a new tab for you to start making a new program. We're going to do the same coding, so we're going to write in the word print, which tells the computer we want to display a message on the screen, and then we just need to tell the computer what that particular message is. Okay, so inside brackets and quotation marks, I'm going to write in my name is Tim. You can write your name though, you don't have to use Tim. And then on the next line, I'm going to write I am learning to code in Python. Okay, make sure that you've got brackets and quotation marks around anything you want displayed on the screen. Once you've got that, first of all you need to save it. So I'm going to call this number 2. I'll just call it writing messages. And I forgot to press this stop button before. That'll just stop the previous code from running. And then the run button will appear again. So press your run button again and it will run this code, and hopefully we see 2 lines of writing appear. So 2 messages should pop up. And sure enough it has. So as you can see in the little box down the bottom that appears, it says my name is Tim. I am learning to code in Python. Okay. Just stop that code from running. I think I might put some full stops into my messages here. Bit of punctuation. I want you to add one last line in. You can write whatever you want here. I'm just going to write in this coding stuff is pretty easy, hey? Just make sure you've got print at the start, which will display a message on the screen, and then you've got your brackets and quotation marks around the message you want to appear. Simply click Save at the top, run, and you'll see that you've got 3 messages that appear on the screen. My name is Tim. I'm learning to code in Python. This coding stuff is pretty easy, hey? Okay, and that's it. You've just written your first couple of programs using Python. Doesn't get much easier than that. Now you're going to be using this print line quite a bit this term. Okay, so it is a good one to start with, and it's a pretty easy one to remember. Alright, in the next video I'm going to show you how to print messages over multiple lines. So rather than writing print over and over again, I'm going to show you a way we can shorten that down and make it a bit quicker. Okay, but for now, that is your first program in Python done and dusted. Okay, so make sure it's all saved up, and I'll catch you in the next video.